So let's start with the travel brochure. So first take any A3 or A4 size sheet and fold it into half. So like this we'll fold it first and then we'll move to the next. So you can make on any place the travel brochure. I am making on Shinjuku, which is in Tokyo, Japan, and cause I like a lot Japanese, so I'm making this travel brochure for my school assignment, and I think this video will help you a lot if you want to make your assignment or present a travel brochure. And now after this folding it, we'll fold it into half again from the center line, as you can see, and we have to press it also a little bit from the ends to make the ends even. So now I have taken a printout of Shinjuku city, so I'll fold it so it fits and cut it so it fits my sheet. So first let's fold it and then cut it out, and then I'll paste it with my any glue you can paste in the center. And the travel brochure is just nothing, you have to just mention some details and make it more creative. So it's my first time I'm trying it, but I did it very great, I think, according to me. But you see how you make it. So I'm going to paste it in between. So let's start. Yes, so now we'll apply the glue. So I'm using the white glue of Camlin. You can use any glue or Fevistick, and I'm just going to paste this picture in between. Let's do. As you can see, I have pasted it here in between the sheet. So how it's looking. So let's get further. So I have kept ready some decorations made, so I'm going to paste, and here I have written Shinjuku in Japanese kanji language, and I've made a fan and some more new fans, and now I'm going to glue it up now, and I'm going to paste everything there. So let's glue it up everything. And the decorations is not basic, you can decorate it by anything, but I prefer you should give your brochure a theme, and all the things which a place is famous for, all that you can add into your brochure. And let's move further. So here I have written Shinjuku name. Actually I messed up on the sheet, but it's going to be creative, so I'm going to add some designs onto it and make it look a little bit good, because my handwriting isn't so nice, but still I'm going to try it to make it nice. And then we're going to cut it out and then paste it with a double-sided tape on the sheet or our cover page. So let's keep doing. So here you can see, so I have pasted the Shinjuku tag on that, and I've pasted it with double-sided tape, so it's looking good according to me. You can see however you want to try it, however you want to decorate it, it's up to you. And it doesn't matter which country or which city or which place you are making, just make it with creativity, and you should first research it about. So let's keep going. So now I've made a little extra detail to show and to cover the sheet for the cover page, that I have written travel brochure and decorated with some markings on it. So let's get to the second page of the travel brochure. So I have added a small description about Shinjuku, and if you want you can add more points, but add in brief because I don't think we should extend it more. And now I have ready the 2 pages, places to visit. I have researched and pasted in this way. You can also do it, and I've given it a fan thing too. And then I have placed many places, and then I'm going to do the food. Now food cuisine, you can add any food, I mean according to the cuisine though. So let me just fill this up. So here we are ready with the second page also. Just did the food, and now I'm going to paste my after underlining this, I'm gonna paste my miniature. I have created some points. You can write about the food also if you want. You can write in points, but I have just named them, and I'm going to paste it with double-sided tape. And then I'm going to paste ramen and the picture of tempura. And then I'm going to recommend some hotels and onsen and things to try and so on. You can add as many pages if you want, and then your travel brochure is just ready in time. And now I've ready the first page. Now time for the second, and here we are done with the things. Thanks for watching our video.